Hello everyone, it's Chuck here. I wanted to take a couple of minutes today to go over how you post a new topic on the forum. I know this is pretty basic information for a lot of you out there. However, there are some individuals who are not familiar with the forum format and therefore are having a little bit of difficulty with posting a new topic. So we'll cover that today. This will be a pretty short video because there's not much to it. First and foremost, you have to be logged into the site. And as you can see, about a third of the way down the page, you'll see that yellow message basically saying that we are not logged into the site. So obviously we want to go up to the top of the page where it says log in or sign up, and we'll log into my tutorials account. And you've noticed that the yellow message has gone away, and you see that replaced by your screen name here, which my screen name at this time is tutorials. So you simply select the area that you want to post that is most appropriate for your new topic. For example, we'll do the general discussions, and you'll see that there's a new topic button presented to you right here. So it's as simple as just clicking the new topic button, and you enter your title here. So this is where you type in the title of your new topic, and then you come down here to the body, and obviously that's where you would type in the body of your message. And you can go ahead and preview it by clicking the preview button, and it'll give you an idea. This is where you type in the actual content of your new topic so you can see what you've put in the body. So you can close this, or you could have actually hit post if you wanted to. I always like to close it. For some reason I like to use this post button. So you go ahead and hit post, and you'll see that your message has been posted, and you can verify that by going back to the general discussions area, and you'll see here's your new topic. This is where you type in the title of your new topic. So you just click there, and there's your post. And at this time, anybody else can reply to your post, and they'll see it on the forum. So that's all there is to posting a new topic. Obviously, it's pretty simple once you know how to do it. If you have any questions, feel free to scroll down to the Contact Us and click on the link and send me an email, and we'll get back to you right away. Hope everything's going well for you today, and we'll talk to you soon.